The dawn of AI and its transformative power. Imagine a world where every challenge you face is met with a breakthrough solution crafted by AI. Welcome to an era where technology meets human ingenuity, transforming obstacles into opportunities for growth and innovation. For decades, technology was seen simply as a tool for calculation and automation. Today, however, AI bridges raw data with human emotion, empowering us to solve real problems and reimagine our future. AI is revolutionizing industries, diagnosing diseases, predicting climate trends, and automating everyday tasks. Beyond these applications, AI holds the promise of unlocking human potential by merging cutting-edge insights with the nuances of our daily lives. We now stand at a turning point where the breakthroughs in AI are not just technical achievements, but catalysts for change. These innovations challenge us to rethink our limitations and explore new horizons in education, creativity, and personal development. By integrating AI into our lives, we open doors to innovations that were once unimaginable. This is your invitation to join a movement that pairs intelligence with emotion. A journey where every conversation becomes a spark for understanding, growth, and transformation. In this presentation, complex concepts are broken down into relatable insights, equipping you with the tools to harness AI for meaningful, real-world impact. This is more than a tech talk. It's a call to action to embrace innovation and redefine what's possible. Join us as we explore a future where technology and human insight converge, turning every challenge into an opportunity for lasting change. From channel growth to sustainable income. Every creator dreams of viral success, yet reality often falls short of expectations. Instead of waiting for that elusive million-subscriber breakthrough, it's time to pivot. Turn your passion into sustainable income by creating a digital product that delivers immediate, tangible value. Your channel is the spark that ignites ideas. Now transform that spark into a steady flame by addressing the real needs of your audience. Identify the unique challenges they face and develop a product that offers actionable solutions powered by your AI insights. Reflect on what keeps your audience awake at night. Which complex issues can be simplified? How can your expertise offer a solution that educates and empowers? Digital products, whether an online course, interactive toolkit, or comprehensive guide, bridge the gap between content and profit. Begin by listening deeply to your community through surveys, comments, and social media interactions to uncover their true pain points. Then craft a solution that is both informative and engaging. One that resonates on a personal level and inspires immediate action. Expand your reach by building a community around your digital product. Engage in live Q&A sessions, webinars, and interactive forums where your audience can share their challenges and successes. These interactions not only build trust, but also provide valuable feedback for refining your product. Consider sharing behind-the-scenes insights into your creative process, allowing your audience to feel connected and invested in your journey. This level of transparency can transform casual viewers into loyal supporters, paving the way for sustained growth and revenue. A step-by-step guide to launching your digital product. Now that you have a vision, it's time to transform your idea into a market-ready digital product. Follow these steps to build, launch, and profit from a solution that reflects your expertise and meets the genuine needs of your audience. Step 1. Research. Dive into surveys, social media discussions, and community interactions to pinpoint the exact challenges your audience faces. Understand which aspects of AI are most intimidating or confusing, and let these insights shape your product concept. Document every insight to ensure you cover every angle of your audience's needs. Step 2. Design. Turn your research into a clear blueprint. Whether you're planning an interactive course, a comprehensive guide, or a practical toolkit, structure your product into modules that build upon one another. This ensures clarity, engagement, and immediate usability. Begin with a pilot module. Test it with a segment of your audience, and refine your approach until the product resonates perfectly. Emphasize simplicity in design to make even the most complex ideas accessible. Step 3. Development. Leverage AI tools and interactive platforms to create engaging visuals and simulations. Build a product that not only informs but captivates. Integrate quizzes, scenario-based exercises, and live simulations to offer real-time, practical results. Use high-quality graphics and intuitive navigation to ensure your audience remains engaged throughout their learning journey. Step 4. Marketing. Craft teaser content that highlights your product's benefits and share authentic success stories. Use genuine storytelling to connect with your audience, demonstrating how your product transforms lives. Develop a robust marketing strategy that includes social media campaigns, email newsletters, and targeted ads. Authenticity in marketing builds a loyal community and paves the way for word-of-mouth growth. Step 5. Launch and iterate. Plan a launch that offers exclusive insights, early bird incentives, and opportunities for live interaction. This isn't just the debut, it marks the beginning of an ongoing dialogue with your audience. Gather and analyze feedback meticulously, and be ready to refine your product based on user experience and evolving market trends. Looking ahead, envision a future where your digital product not only generates income, but also becomes a cornerstone of your legacy. As you continue to engage and innovate, every update and iteration further solidifies your reputation as a thought leader in the AI space. With clear steps, authentic engagement, and an unwavering commitment to solving real problems, your passion for AI can drive both personal success and meaningful change for your audience. Innovate, create, and watch as your vision unfolds into a future full of opportunity. The journey begins now.